So sometimes you might see DraftKings error code SCO 126. It typically indicates a connection issue between your device and DraftKings servers. This can, just prevent you from using the app. Like usually, I think it can be tied with some issues with DraftKings servers. You just need to verify the status of DraftKings servers. The platform might experience temporary outages or maintenance leading to connectivity issues. So just visit the DraftKings status page or Down Detector app, anything, and just check out if actually DraftKings servers are up. You can restart the DraftKings app. You can check network connection. You can just double check your Wi-Fi connection, mobile data. You can also use VPN. Just update the app, clear the app cache if you wanna, and reinstall the app. So yeah, you can just do that. But most likely it's just the issue with their servers. So just give it a try at later time, or try to use this app not in the peak times in US when everyone tries to use it.